yan mag-outing.
Yeah.
Paligid ka mo, may naagi. Yes. Pag nilagay po dyan, automatically. Just like
Now, since it's mostly going to be at home, do I need to leave it plugged in all the time, or is it recommended to plug it in and then unplug it?
you need to recharge it. It's not advisable to use well plug.
While plugged in?
It has 8 hours battery life.
I see. So fully charge, unplug it, use it, plug it back. Okay.
You need to register it also on our website. Just scan the top of the box.
Okay.
There's a QR there. Upload the receipt.